Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Audi A4 remote battery easy guide. Open the key fob seam with a flat tool, pop off the cover, remove the old battery, insert a new CR 2032 with the plus side facing up, then snap the cover back on. Test the remote by pressing lock and unlock. If it doesn't work, reseat the battery and check the contacts for corrosion. Use simple household tools and a fresh CR 2032 battery for reliable results. Start by removing the mechanical key, use a small flathead to pry at the seam, and keep small parts in a safe place. Clean the battery contacts with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol if they look dirty. Avoid touching the battery with bare hands to reduce oils, and always test the remote before reassembling the center console. Quick note, if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for music or hands-free control around your garage. I link the product and more deals in the description so you can quickly check prices and accessories. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. If the remote still fails, verify the new CR 2032 is oriented correctly and holding voltage. Replace damaged housing or worn buttons that can prevent contact, and consider refreshing the key in the car using the ignition if needed. For repeated failures, check your vehicle's receiver or consult a dealer to reprogram the remote. Keep the old battery for proper disposal and recycle according to local regulations to protect the environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.